In 2019, Ghana sent a symbolic invitation to thousands of African descendants who were displaced in various regions of the globe in the aftermath of the historic transatlantic slave trade. They were offered to return home to the lands of their ancestors in a year that marked 400 years since the arrival of the first enslaved Africans in Jamestown, Virginia. Many of the African descendants, including African Americans who responded to that call, claimed to have received free lands, while others admitted to only paying administrative fees in obtaining those lands. This event was unique in terms of its historical context, but it reminded me of similar programs in which African governments offer incentives to combat food shortages, meet market demands, and boost African economies. Many people ignore this, but Africans like you and me, who live on the continent and abroad, could be eligible to receive hundreds of acres of land for agriculture projects. In the case of South Africa, for instance, they have a program in place called Land Redistribution for Agricultural Development. This program essentially provides grants for qualified individuals to acquire land for agriculture. There is also a subsequent initiative in South Africa called Integrated Food Security and Nutrition Program, which provides agricultural help in the form of equipment and fertilizers. These kinds of programs exist in many countries throughout Africa with some variations. The application requirements and selection criteria may also be different according to the type of program. Therefore, you should definitely check with your local government to find out what kind of incentives they offer that fit your needs. But before you get excited and start filling out applications, do some research to understand the scopes and objectives of those programs. And definitely make sure your profile matches the qualification requirements to improve your chances for approval. Now, when it comes to the political implications of obtaining those grants and the true economic impact of such programs, things may not be as straightforward. And whether or not the vetting process is fair and transparent is not for me to say. However, these are programs that truly exist, and it is something to definitely consider if you have a farming project in mind and you are short of resources. I hope you find this information helpful for your future projects. And if you would like to see more of this type of content on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications as I continue to share valuable insights on subjects that interest you.